Do you ever send dozens of proposals on Upwork only to hear crickets? You're not alone. Many freelancers struggle to land their first client, while others get stuck with low-paying gigs. But what if I told you that just a few small changes in your approach could completely transform your success? In this video, I will show you exactly how to apply for jobs on Upwork the right way and share some secret tips that top freelancers use to stand out and win high-paying clients. Let's get started. Before we jump into sending proposals, let's talk about your Upwork profile. Because this is the first thing clients will check before deciding whether to hire you. Think of it as your online resume, but better. Start with your headline. Instead of writing graphic designer or virtual assistant, be more specific and results-driven. For example, efficient virtual assistant, expert in email and calendar management. A strong headline instantly tells client what you do and how you can help them. Now, onto your profile summary. Most freelancers make the mistakes of talking only about themselves. But clients don't care about your life story. They care about how you can solve their problem, and here's a better approach. Start with a strong hook. Highlight your experience and expertise. Make sure to end with a clear call to action. After you have crafted your summary, you can go and scroll down and you will see portfolio. You can add your portfolio and make sure it is top-notch. Even if you're new, you can add personal projects, case studies, or volunteer work to showcase your skills. A great portfolio builds trust and increases your chances of getting hired. After the portfolio, you will see certifications here, wherein you can add certificates that you have recently acquired on specific topics. You will also see employment history. You can add your employment history here by adding the name of the company, your position, the duration of the work, and a bit of description of what you do in that company. Now that your profile is optimized, it's time to find the right jobs. Don't just apply to every listing. We need to focus on quality over quantity. So let's go to job tabs. You can type a specific keywords that you want to fill in or you want to work in. So let's say assistant. Any position with a keyword that says assistant will show up here. For example, virtual assistant. What else? Personal assistant, administrative assistant will show up here. So you can tweak this filter or you can tweak all these jobs here by tweaking the filters on the right side. So what kind of experience level you're looking for? Is it entry level, intermediate, or expert? Or if you're looking for all three, you can click them all. You can also choose your hourly rate. For example, I'm looking for around 12 to 15 hourly rate. And you can also go to the number of proposals. So what is the purpose of number of proposals that you see here? Remember that the lesser number of proposals you see in the job post means that the higher chances a client will be able to notice your proposals because there are only lesser number of people who submitted for this job application compared to the other job post that has 20 to 50 proposals. There would be a lot of candidates already, and I believe most of the clients would not be able to see all of the applications under this job post. Make sure to submit proposals to a lesser number of proposals. Another thing that you can add or customize is the client history. No hires mean they haven't really hired before in Upwork. 1 to 9, they have hired at least 1 to 9 employees on Upwork, and we have 10 plus hires. You can also tweak the location, which client base you're looking for. For example, for my case, I would prefer European-based client. You can also choose a time zone, what time zone you want your client to be working with so that you will be able to align it to your time zone as well. Now, how long this project you want to last? Less than 1 month, 1 to 3 months, or more than. Now, you can also choose how many hours you want to work per week. So that means, are you looking for a part-time or a full-time position? If you're going to choose less than 30 hours per week, this means that you're looking for a part-time position. And if you click more than 30 hours per week, this means that you are going to look for a full-time position. Now, although you have tweaked all the filters here, I have a specific tips and tricks in finding the right job for you. Go back and clear filters. Click Assistant, or find or only enter the specific keywords for a specific job position that you're looking for. Let's say Assistant, and you will see that this job was posted 14 minutes ago. So this means if I apply to this position, there would be a high chance that the client would be able to see my proposals because I was able to send my proposal as soon as the job was posted. Now, how you can track the activity of this job post? You can scroll down below and you will see here activity on this job. You see, there is less than 5 proposals submitted. A good chance for you to submit your proposals and they haven't interviewed yet. No invite sent to the other freelancers yet. So this means that you could have a chance to win this project. But before winning the project, of course, we need to try and apply it. Now, we are on our step 3, crafting our winning proposals. Okay, so this is the secret tips and this is the most important part. And this is where most freelancers go wrong. Most of the freelancers write a generic proposals, but a generic proposals won't get you noticed. Instead of saying, "Hi, my name is, I'm interested in this job, I have experience, please hire me," you need to try a different approach. So first, you need to personalize your opening line, like mention the client's name or something specific from the job post. For example, let's go here, property management. Okay, so the client is looking for a virtual assistant with property management task and targeted social media marketing. So what you can say here, "Hi, my name is Angel, and I saw that you need help with property management and marketing strategy." Okay, this is not exactly what I saw, but let's just say that's it. Okay, next, you need to show your value in 2 to 3 sentences. Clients wants to know what you bring to the table. For example, I've helped businesses grow their Instagram following by 20%. XYZ, and that's it. And also, don't forget to add your call to action again, like saying, "I would love to connect with you and discuss how I could further support your business." And if you have an introduction video related to this position, you can add them in this attachment. You can also include your resume and all your other previous project that is related to this job post. Now, after that, you can also include your portfolio or any relevant certificates. And if there are already number of proposals that were being sent to this job post and you still want to apply for this, another thing that you could do so that you would get noticed is to do bidding. So what you can do is click here the amount of bids or the amount of connects that you want to bid so that your resume will go on top of the applicants list. And don't forget, click send to send your proposal. Once you land the job, communication is key, so you need to be professional, set clear expectations, and deliver high-quality work on time. Happy clients often leave great reviews, which helps you attract even better projects in the future. Now you know how to apply for jobs on Upwork the right way, but here's one final tip. Consistency wins, but don't get discouraged if you don't land a job right away. Keep refining your profile, improving your proposals, and applying strategically. If you want to fast-track your success, start tracking which proposals get responses and tweak your approach based on what works best. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with other freelancers. If you have any questions, drop them below and I'd love to help. Now go land that first or next high-paying client on Upwork. See you on our next videos!